Only 50% of test takers actually pass the ASCP MB exam on their first try. You need more than just textbooks or random quizzes to reach that passing score. I'll expose the most common mistakes people make with their ASCP MB practice test and show how to avoid them. If you want to master the ASCP MB practice test, you're in the right place. This video breaks down the exact steps to get the score you need. I'm from MLSIAcademy.com, built for lab pros chasing ASCP success worldwide. First, know the MB ASCP exam has 100 multiple choice questions. You'll have 2.5 hours. The test uses computer adaptive testing. That means each answer changes the difficulty of the next question. It's not just about memorizing questions. You need to truly understand the content areas covered. Second, don't rely on outdated practice tests. Use recent, exam-style questions matching today's exam format. The latest practice tests break down all 4 content domains: molecular science, molecular techniques, laboratory operations, and applications. Avoid free quizzes that don't explain answer choices. Those can teach you the wrong habits. Third, many overlook time management. Practice each ASCP MB practice test under real timer pressure. Train your brain for the CAT format, not just random guessing. Thousands of lab professionals have passed using our proven prep, live classes, expert videos, study guides, and exam-style question banks, including practice tests at MLSIAcademy. To recap, practice with real, up-to-date ASCP MB practice tests. Focus on understanding, not just memorizing. Prep under timed, adaptive conditions. Want more tips? Check out MLSIAcademy.com. Next time, we'll break down 700 Ask Molecular Biology Practice Questions PDF. Subscribe or check our channel for that deep dive.